Hey berries, it's Sherry the Berry here, and as you see, this is a part 2 of the Halloween easy looks. If you didn't see part 1, what did you doing? Just go watch it and then come back so you can just see how it elevates, you know? Alright, we're gonna go straight into it. Easy, simple pumpkin look. I've been seeing a lot of different images on like social media, like little videos, pictures, people that did it extremely well, some people that did like, you know, quick and easy. So I kind of like look at those and I kind of gonna put my own little twist to it like I did for my last one. But I already washed my face. I'm gonna be moisturizing with my Fenty moisturizer just like I did in my other one. Also, I'm not gonna be showing you my basic makeup look. I do have a video on my basic makeup look and I will be tagging it at the top. You see it? It's up there. Let me just do my basic makeup and then I'll be back with you guys once I finish that. But again, if you want to see my basic makeup look, what I do and the products I use to achieve it, make sure that you look at that video. But let me just do this real quick. Alright, so my basic makeup is done, finito. Y'all want more details on that, y'all know where to go. So I'm gonna be using 2 eyeshadow palettes. So I'm trying to get an orangey look at the top over my eyeshadow. So I have the NYX Ultimate palette. It has these beautiful colors, and I also have this orange and this Revolution palette that I've used, you know, for forever. This one here, and I will be using this as my transition, but we'll get that when we get there. I'm not great at eyeshadow. If you guys don't know, you know now. I'm not good at eyeshadow, and we're gonna just see how it turns out. I'm gonna just try to mix a few things together and try to get that orange pigment. I am a dark skinned girl, so these oranges may not show up very well on me. I did do some swatches, so I might have to swatches. Like this one right here, it just didn't come, like, you see, you can barely see it. You can really barely see it. We're gonna see. First, I'm gonna start with the Revolution palette. I always use my transition color, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna put that on my lids. Just like that. You see, you can barely see it, but that's going to give me my base just to make sure these oranges are going to pop. And it's going to kind of trickle up to my eyebrow. Now that that is all coated, I am going in with, I think it's going to be this one here. Let's see how this do me. This is how it looks. Let's see. It's not giving me the pop that I need. But I'm going to keep packing it on there. Same color. Pack. Okay, that is, I wanted more orange. Alright, so this orange, okay, I kept trying to put palette on like I was telling you guys, but it was not working. So I ended up putting this orange pro concealer on top and then just putting this on there some more. Again, I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so work with me. I didn't wipe my lids off or anything. I put orange corrector on and I just put more of this color on there and it's coming out like this, which is, I'm fine with it. It's supposed to be quick and easy. And then I just went in with my transition color, that first color I put on, and I kind of just did this so it can kind of blend, so it won't look too crazy, and I'm okay with that. So I didn't do this eye yet, so I'm going to do this eye for you guys. Hopefully it comes out the same. Put it on there like that, and then with that same brush, I'm just going to just spread it out. I kind of use my finger too to spread it out. And then kind of tap it in there. I don't want to put it too much in my skin because obviously it would just like spread out. So I want to just kind of tap it in there and make it thick so it won't dissolve in my skin. Dissolve, right? Like blend into my skin, I guess. Like that. So it's looking a little crazy, but then when we get the brush, I'm gonna wipe this off a little. I got a little napkin. When we get the brush, I just kind of fan it out like that. Still looking a little crazy, but bear with me. Work with me. Work with me. And I'm gonna put more of that on. And the pigment obviously just comes out way better. Then I'll go in with my transition color just so it can blend. And I kind of blend it out at the top. This is basic. If I can do it, you can do it. I promise you. If I can do it, you can do it, because I am not good at eyeshadow. I'll probably add a little more orange at the top. I feel like it look a little plain at the top, so I want a little orange tint. So I'm gonna just add orange up here right under my eyebrow. As we know, this does not have great pigment for dark skin, but since it don't, I guess we'll use it to its advantage and just put it at the top so it can have a little color right there. And this also help us blend just a little more. And if I can do it, you can do it. I can't believe it's looking this okay, you know, like it's looking decent for what it is, you know. And I'm doing it like it's me, and I'm not good at eyeshadow. And that is gonna be it right there. Y'all see it? Y'all following along? Y'all can do this. So I'm gonna pop me on some lashes. It's a double with Spear and Ardell. Why is this not focusing? These lashes are barely on my eyes, but I did it. Alright, so the next part is I'm gonna make sure that my lips foundation on it, or I put concealer on it, just so it can be more of a blending effect with my face. And then I put the black around here because it's like a carved out pumpkin. So I'm just gonna do that and then just blend it out. Oh, before we do this, or as this drying, I want to put some eyeshadow on my lower lash. Even though it may not pick up, it's still worth a shot. And I'm going to just use that orange that we was using. Alright, so I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. It's in black. I don't know why my camera not focusing today, but they trying to play you and me at the same time. So I tried to be creative and just free ball it, but I couldn't, so I had to draw it out. Sorry I didn't do it on camera, but I needed to concentrate. So I just used a regular pencil, did my mouth like this, and looked up, like Googled carved pumpkins, and you can set the shape that you want to do. And you see I chose this shape. So now I'm just gonna fill it all out with the black. Hopefully it looks good, because the first time I did it was not cute, but let's just see how it looks doing it this way. It's supposed to be quick and easy, but I've been struggling, but hopefully my struggle help you not struggle. So let me just fill this out. I think it's looking so good. Okay, it looks crazy when I'm talking. Because my lips are full, I just look like a clown. But when I do like this, it works wonders, okay? All right, so I lined it up with this NYX Epic Wear liner. You can see, okay, for my full lip girls, it may not look good like right here, but watch this. Right? What I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna put like a little orange around this black. I think it'll kind of make it pop. So going back with the NYX palette, I'm used to so many NYXs, like wow. They are super dope, first of all. Very inexpensive, great products. So then I'm gonna just dab along and just do like the outer corners. You can see how I lined it up. That's all I did. Sorry to do it off camera. And that's how it looks. Now I'm gonna put on my black shirt. I've already did my hair because my camera tried to down me, so let me just do something while my camera is, you know, charging. So let me just put my black shirt on. I'm gonna show you how it looks all together. This is how it all looks all together. I got this from Pretty Little Things. I can link it down below if you guys want. Just a bodysuit mock neck, zip up midway. But this is another quick and easy Halloween look. I think if I can do it, you can do it. All we got is some eyeshadow and a little creativity on the lips. That's pretty much it. Orange eyeshadow, pumpkin shaped lips. That's it. I can do it, you can do it. Watch this, watch this. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video.